In this question, there is a big cylinder whose height is 5 centimeter, and there is a small cylinder whose height is 3 centimeter. Surface area of the bigger cylinder is given as 236 centimeter square. So we have calculated the surface area of the smallest cylinder. Smallest cylinder. So these two cylinders are similar. So what is the meaning of similar? Let's suppose the radius is r. Then this smallest cylinder has radius is r. Then both cylinders are similar. So first of all, we have calculated the radius. So surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r.